black cats are bad luck, but that's a bunch of superstitious BS. You're getting yourself all dirty. It's kind of raining out here too. You can probably hear it hit my coat. I don't even know whose cat this is. Who do you belong to? Huh? Get down, you. I don't want you clawing at me. Has a spot on its forehead. You probably could hear the rain. You're a dork. Aw, look at you. You're so cute. Oh my god. Okay, you're using claws. You're using claws. Bad cat. Shame on you. Meow. My iPod's getting wet. It's pretty rainy out. What? You're getting all dirty. I mean, you're the one that has to clean yourself off, because I don't want to. Random video, I know, but hey, thanks for watching. Click here or here for a video, and click here in the center to subscribe. I'll see you guys.